This approach addresses the pain of feeling overwhelmed by too much information and the frustration of watching potential gains slip away because you couldn't decide in time. You save time, reduce stress, and increase the likelihood of achieving better returns. Now imagine you in a different scenario. You've set clear investment criteria aligned with your financial goals. When the same tech company catches your eye, you quickly evaluate it against your predefined checklist: solid revenue growth, innovative products, strong leadership, and favorable market trends. It ticks all the boxes. Without getting entangled in endless analysis, you make an informed decision to invest promptly. As a result, you enter the market early, and as the stock rises, you watch your investment grow. You've capitalized on the opportunity while others are still mired in overthinking. This shift from hesitation to decisive action illustrates how overcoming analysis paralysis can significantly enhance your investment outcomes. This proactive approach can lead to better returns and a more satisfying investment experience, proving that overwhelming analysis paralysis isn't just beneficial. It's a game changer for busy investors like you. This is where the power of a predefined checklist comes into play. It allows you to consistently evaluate opportunities based on what's most important to you. Leveraging efficient tools and resources, you can filter out the noise and focus on data that truly impact your investment's potential. Remember, many successful investors use this approach. They're not cutting corners, they're applying consistency and commitment to their strategy. By doing the same, you can make informed decisions swiftly, reducing the risk of analysis paralysis while maintaining confidence in your choices. But isn't acting quickly just another form of impulsive decision making? It's a common misconception that speed equates to impulsiveness. Acting quickly doesn't mean acting without thought. It means making informed decisions efficiently. By establishing clear investment criteria and utilizing reliable tools, you ensure that your swift actions are grounded in solid analysis. Impulsive decisions are typically based on emotions or fleeting trends without substantial backing. In contrast, your decisions are guided by a structured approach that emphasizes authority, relying on verified data and proven strategies. This method reduces emotional biases, allowing you to focus on factual information that truly matters. Moreover, the market rewards timely decisions. Opportunities can emerge and fade rapidly, and being able to act when conditions are right is crucial. By overcoming the hesitation that comes with overanalysis, you position yourself to capitalize on these opportunities. This proactive stance is not about recklessness. It's about strategic agility. Financial platforms, credible news outlets, and professional advisors can provide you with reliable information without overwhelming you. This approach satisfies the need for urgency while maintaining a solid foundation of knowledge.